tomatoes planted in the field, on the chili peppers, on the cucumbers, and on all kinds of vegetables. Whatever you do, don't spray pesticides. I'll teach you a trick that can solve the problem immediately without spending a single penny, and all the aphids will be wiped out. Today, I'm going to share it with you for free. Before sharing, I'd like to trouble you to use your lucky hands to light up the red heart and the plus sign and save it, so that you can find this formula whenever you want to use it. This formula is to pour 50 grams of white vinegar, 50 grams of salt, and 50 grams of baking soda into 4 gallons of water. Stir well, and spray it on the vegetables. Spray it once every 7 days, and spray it on the leaves 3 times in a row. The vegetables will grow greener and more vigorous. It can not only prevent insects, but also increase production. And there is no residue. I've already told you the vegetable grower this method. Hurry home and give it a try. It's very simple. Follow me, and I'll share more little agricultural planting tips with you every day.
Let me share an ancient pest control trick passed down through generations, which you can't buy no matter how much you spend. It's a miraculous homemade insecticide that requires minimal cost. It can effectively combat aphids, whiteflies, thrips, and other pests. Many people still don't know about this, so I encourage fellow farmers to quickly save this pest control tip. Simply mix 1 spoon each of salt, laundry detergent, and baking soda with 15 kilograms of water, stirring well. After dilution, do a small test application. It's best to spray on the leaves before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. for better effectiveness. Use 3 times in a row. This method not only promotes the healthy growth of plants, but also helps to prevent a variety of plant diseases. You can make your own vegetables not only do not attract insects, but also make the leaves oily green and fat. The plant grows vigorously. Follow me every day for you to share agricultural planting knowledge.
If you grow some vegetables at home, you don't have to buy them. However, when growing vegetables at home, it's very easy to have cabbage worms and aphids. So what should you do? Today, I'm going to share with you a method that doesn't require the use of pesticides, allowing you to enjoy green and healthy vegetables. This video is helpful whether you are growing vegetables or flowers. I suggest you save it, so that you won't be unable to find it when you need it. The method is to mix 30 grams of white vinegar, 30 grams of salt, and 30 grams of baking soda together, and then add 4 gallons of water to it. Spray this solution on various vegetables and flowers with pest infestations. Not only can it effectively control the pests, but it can also make the leaves of your vegetables rich in color and shiny, and the branches and leaves lush. Have you remembered it? If not, give it a thumbs up and follow me, and save this article. That way, you can easily find it when you need it in the future. Once you master this magical method,
Did you know that regular table salt, which is a staple in every home, can have an incredible impact on farming? Today I'm going to share a simple formula that not only helps control locusts, but also increases crop yields. Once you know this trick, you'll never need to buy insecticides again, whether it's aphids, cabbage worms, or whiteflies. This solution will take care of them all, keeping your garden pest-free. Agricultural stores won't share this secret because it would cost them sales. Before I share it, make sure to like and save this post so you can find it later. Here's the recipe. Mix 300 grams of salt, 20 grams of urea, and 200 grams of sugar into 30 liters of water. Stir it well and spray it evenly on the leaves of your fruits and vegetables. This method will not only keep pests away, but also boost your yield in a natural and healthy way. Got it? Follow me for more farming tips.